167 Fitzroy Street is a very cool home, and it's not just because of the in-ground pool. If you're a family guy just like me, you're going to love this zone of the home. This country-style dine-in kitchen sits nicely next to the deck, overlooking the in-ground pool and the kid-friendly backyard with magnificent city views. 167 Fitzroy Street is a wonderful family home, and if it is your dream to live in a Queenslander just like this one, give us a call. We would love to help you out.